It's our first white Christmas since I moved to Georgia in 1989. And by tomorrow it'll all be melted. Yeah, that's the nice thing about snow in Georgia. It's fun for one day and then it's gone. Make another one over here.
Okay. I'm going to take one over here.
Now you, Madison.
I made a snow angel.
You sure did.
Because I put my head on the ground.
Uh-huh.
Snowball.
That's quite a snow angel. And that one too.
Snowball foot.
You're covered
Let's see.
in snow, my God.
Look up. Look at the camera.
I want to
Yeah, you will. You got like 3 pair of pink tights.